Guys, in my hands is the vlogging kit by Sony. This kit is an incredible grip and a memory card combined. If you have a camera like this is a Sony ZV-1, by the way. I love this camera. It's a perfect vlogging camera. This camera combined with this kit is a perfect vlogging solution because you know this camera, right? This is a Sony ZV-1. We got the flip out LCD screen. You got the awesome lens with the 1.8 aperture with the blurry background, good microphone, good tele light. When you record, you see that tele light goes on. When you stop recording, that tele light goes off. This camera is compact and small, lightweight, it's portable, and it's great. But when you're vlogging, you're trying to hold the camera like this, you need a vlogging stick or something that makes it handle. It's like kind of uncomfortable to hold the camera like this, right? That's why you need a vlogger kit like this. And let me tell you, this thing has been exceptionally good at helping me vlog with my Sony ZV-1. Let's unbox this thing and see what we get inside. Inside here, no surprise, you get a vlogging stick and you get a nice memory card. This is a really fast memory card, 64 gigabyte. I love it. I can do 4K videos on this, no problem. Of course, the memory card is nice, but the reason why this kit is so special is because you get this vlogging stick. This vlogging stick is unique to Sony camera. Boom, right here. Why is it so good for Sony camera? Well, it can connect to Sony cameras via Bluetooth, so you can connect wirelessly to your camera. You can even use this as a remote control. Once you connect the vlogging stick to your camera, you can even zoom like a remote control. Look at that, the camera is zooming by this button right here. I can even start recording here. See, record, starts recording. I can hit right here to stop recording. Stop. Recording stops. Look how cool is that? I can take a picture by hitting this button. Boom. I just took a photo. How cool is that? You can change your C1. Whatever you want to change your C1, you can change it to like blurry background or product showcase mode. Whatever you want. This vlogging stick is nice. This thing opens up to become like a table tripod. This table tripod mode is very handy because now you can put this on a table, start vlogging, start YouTubing. You can do food eating. You can do product showcase with this small little tripod, and it's compact. Now this thing obviously doubles as a handle. Here, let me put on my camera. So once you put on your camera right here, you can just turn right here to lock in your camera. Really easy right here. Boom, the camera goes on just like this. Again, today we're using a Sony ZV-1 camera, and it's actually recording right now. How do I know? It's got a little tele light right here. This tele light tells me that it's recording. I'll hit stop so it stops recording. But here, let me open up the stand. See right there, you can put this on a table, and now you have a nice vlogging setup. So now with the grip on, see how I can hold this? Now it's very comfortable to be able to vlog like this. So look at this, guys. This vlogging stick is awesome. Check this out right here. Now I have the flexibility to vlog any way I want. This angle right here can change. I can change like this. I can change it straight up like this. It has different angles. Once it locks in, it stays locked. This grip is very comfortable. It's Bluetooth too. You can use it as a wireless remote control or with this grip right here. Check this out. I'm literally vlogging and I can change my zoom right here. See, right now I can use this button right here. I can change the zoom in and out. How cool is that? If I wanted to, I can disconnect this. And now I can control this wirelessly. Look, look, look. I can zoom in and out using this remote right here. See? Zoom in and out. How cool is that? I can hit record. Boom. It's recording right now. I can stop recording. Boom. It stops recording. This grip is really awesome. You see how it was just a remote control? Again, let me put my camera back on here. Now, with this grip, I can hold this button. I can turn this one 90 degrees. I can turn this other way right here. And once it locks in, it stays solid. I can turn it this way. Boom. I can turn it this way. Boom. It locks in. And then right here, this button right here allows me to change the angle. Boom. Locks in. Solid. Boom. Up here. Solid. Whatever angle I want. Why is that great? Well, because then you can open this up and make it a table tripod. And just put it on your table. And you want to change the angle? Boom. Like that. Locks in. And now you have a great table tripod setup, so you can do like a mukbang, eat your food while you're streaming, or making a vlog while you're eating your food. You can do an unboxing, a product showcase, do your makeup, get ready with me, vlog, live stream, do a Casey Neistat, do whatever you want. But look, you got an excellent vlogging stick. And also, once you have this vlogging stick, your footage is more stable. I don't even need a gimbal anymore because this ZV-1 has in-body image stabilization already. Plus this grip allows me to walk around very stable so I can vlog. This grip is amazing, guys. This is the vlogging stick that you need if you have the Sony ZV-1 camera. It connects via Bluetooth. It works great. Highly recommended. The Sony ZV-1 and this vlogging stick makes an incredible combination. And don't forget, you also get the memory card included with the vlogging kit. Yeah!